This thing's been sitting forever. How long's it been sitting here without use? It's been several months. Look at some owl or some bird did. Oh my God. It's like it just sat on the dash and crapped there all winter. This will be a freaking miracle if it starts. Literally a miracle. Here we go. Nothing. Oh wait. It's gotta be here. That's gotta be there. Nothing. Absolute. Total dead. Okay. Time for battery charger. Okay, I got the charger on. This charger has a 100 amp start. I'm going to see if that's enough to kick it off. All it's got to do is spin once. Okay. Switch the charger to 100 amp. Here we go. You can tell from the sound. It just didn't have it. Okay then. We'll let her charge conventionally. We'll get there, old girl. Okay, it's been charging for a while. Let's see what happens.